Hey there, this meditation is designed to help you find calm and ease anxiety through the power of breath. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or caught in a moment of panic, this practice will help you ground yourself, return to the present, and regain a sense of peace. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness inward. Begin by noticing your body. Feel the weight of your body resting where you are. Notice the surface beneath you supporting you. Let yourself sink into this moment, feeling safe and grounded. Now take a slow, deep breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Deep breath in and breathe out. Without changing anything, simply observe your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Where do you feel your breath the most? Is it in your nose, your chest, or your belly? Allow yourself to become fully present in each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the breath. Now let's begin a simple breathing technique to calm the nervous system. Take a deep breath, inhale through your nose, and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's do this once again. Take a deep inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With each exhale, allow your body to soften. And you can continue this cycle at your own pace. Each breath fills you with calm, and each breath out releases tension. As you breathe in and breathe out, relax your forehead and let go of any tension in your jaw. Drop your shoulders, letting them feel heavy and at ease. Soften your hands, your belly, your legs, and allow yourself to completely surrender to this moment. As you continue breathing, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am safe in this moment. I trust my breath to guide me back to calm. This feeling is temporary and I'm stronger than my anxiety. Peace follows through me with every breath. Now, as we bring this meditation to a close, you can gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you again. Take one last deep breath and out. When you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes and return to your day with a sense of calm and clarity. Your breath is always here for you. Whenever you feel anxious, return to your breath and allow it to guide you back to peace. Thank you for practicing with me. Take care. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.